Hi Subbies, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, I'm doing a box opening haul. Before we get into this video, please thumbs up this video, comment, and share. I can't wait to show my subbies what's inside. When I received this package, I was surprised. It was basically the size of the box. I'm trying to rip it open. The struggle was real. And this is what it looks like. I know, fancy packaging, right? For this size, I was super shocked by the price. Don't worry, I'll leave a link in the description down below so you can run, don't walk for this fragrance. So you can smell expensive with me while saving coins. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. I get so many compliments on this fragrance. It's long lasting. It stays in your clothes, even after washing it. It did take about 2.5 weeks to arrive, maybe 2 weeks depending on your location, but it's definitely worth the wait for this amazing scent that you will not forget. This is a unisex fragrance, so men and women can also wear this fragrance. You won't be disappointed. I promise you, you guys, you won't be. Thanks for watching, and please remember to like and share on your way out. See you in the next video, subbies. Thanks for watching. Bye.